Hello guys, welcome back to this advanced level combined mathematics paper out video series. Today I'll show one super problem in trigonometry. Trigonometry, a main question in the exam paper, structure type, and as well as essay problem, because properties of triangles, inverse function, maybe sometimes a graph of trigonometric and solving equations also combined together one problem in essay question papers in pure maths. Okay, this is the question. Read the problem. 0.5 minus cos 2x all divide by cos 2x minus sin x minus 1, which is equal to cos 2x plus sin x minus 1, right? This is an equation in terms of cos and sin. There are two parts. First part, find the sum of the smallest positive value and the largest negative value. Find the sum of the smallest positive value and the largest negative value. Second part, how many solutions are there in the boundary minus pi to plus pi? How many general solutions are there? What are the angles satisfies that? Okay, we'll start to solve. Or the cos and sine both together you can't solve it, because cos is increasing, sine decreasing. Cos naught is 1, but sine naught is naught. So when cos 60 half, but sine 30 is half. Cos increasing, sine decreasing values. Therefore try to take complete in terms of cos or in terms of sine. Okay, a half. What is cos 2 theta? Cos double angle formula or multiple angle. Can I write 1 minus 2 sine square x? Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square format. Therefore, this cos 2x 1 minus 2 sine square x over, again, cos 2x 1 minus 2 sine square x. Okay, negative sine x minus 1, right? And the other side 2 here, cos 2x 1 minus 2 sine square x plus sine x minus 1, right? Minus 1. So you can simplify this, half minus 1, that is minus half, okay, plus 2 sine square x over 1 cancels. One of the purpose to change cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, or cos 2 theta, cos square theta minus sine square theta, or like this. Here I applied for in terms of sine, then 1 cancel, minus 2 sine square x negative sine x equal, here also my 1 minus cancel, minus 2 sine square x plus sine x, right? So all in terms of sine will simplify. Can I take the minus out and cut a minus here? Also I can multiply by 2 the numerator, denominator, multiple by 2, right, to remove this fraction format, and take a minus and cut. Therefore 2 minus 4 sine square x, okay, multiplied by 2, numerator, denominator, multiplied by 2, right? So here take the minus and cancel here, that's why it's positive, here negative, multiplied by 2, therefore 4 sine square x plus 2 sine x, right? Plus 2 sine x. This side negative 2 sine square x plus sine x, okay? Okay, that's right. So can I multiply this to that side? I'll show here. 2 minus 4 sine square x equal negative 2 sine square x plus sine x into, you can multiply this here, 4 sine square x plus 2 sine x, right? So step by step convert to any type of equation in terms of sign and try to solve completely in terms of sign format. So here, yes, you can get the 2 also. I think you can cut a 2 here. I multiply this 2 here, this minus, yeah, multiply 2, right? To multiply 2 here, 1, that is 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, okay. So 1 minus 4 sine square x, okay. 1 minus 4 sine square x, multiply 2, 1. Here 4, here multiply 2, 4, here 2, right? That is okay. So 1 minus 4 sine square x, right? Okay, we'll see next side. What if I take the sine out to, yes, 1 minus 4 sine square x equal, we can take a sine out here, 2 sine out, 2 sine out, then 1 plus 2 sine square. Here sine minus 2, there's a factorization form, is it? Can I take the 2 out? Take the 2 out. Can take the 2 sine also, right? 2 sine x, 2, or otherwise you can multiple the brackets, right? I took the 2 sine x out, then what is that? That is 1 plus 2 sine square x into here. Here also I can take the sine x or leave it the same. Take the sine out, then 1 minus 2 sine x. When you format here, 1 minus 4 sine square. If I take the sine, 2 sine out, 1 plus 2 sine square. Or we can use some bracket multiple and rearrange to any quadratic equation, let's see. So 1 minus 4 sine square x. So here if you multiple minus 8 sine to the power 4x, right? Minus 8 sine to the power 4x. Here minus 4 sine cube plus 4 sine cube cancel. Minus plus 2 sine square x, okay. Multiple the brackets, right? Minus 8 sine power 4x. Here minus 4 sine cube plus 4 sine cube. Finally 2 sine square x. Okay, we rearrange all, take one side, 8 sine to the power 4x and negative 6 sine square x, right? And here plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this is a quadratic equation, but here power 4. So try to write a quadratic form in and simplify this pattern. Or we can use factorized format. Can I take, let sine square x, right? Sine square is t. Can I say sine square x is t or y, whatever? Therefore 8 is power 4, then t square minus 60, okay, plus 1 equal to 0. Wow. Now this is a quadratic equation. Try to simplify, can factorize, can draw 8t square is minus 4n minus 2, right? Minus 4t minus 2t plus 1 equal to 0. So if I take factors 4t out, then 2t minus 1. Here take 1 out once again, 2t minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore factorize totally, that is 2t minus 1, one factor, that is 4t minus 1 other factor, right, equal to 0. So you know the two functions, two product equal to 0. Therefore here t is half or t is 1 over 4, right? So t equal half, otherwise t equal 1 over 4, right? So what is t? Sine square x, right? Sine square x equal half. Let's complete this. Now think about the general format. general equation, general solution. Sine square theta equal sine square alpha theta equal n pi plus or minus format, right? Therefore, can I write this sine square x? But the square of gives you half. Sine square pi by 4, right? Sine square pi by 4. Therefore, x equal n pi plus or minus pi by 4. X equal n pi plus or minus pi by 4 is one general solution, right? Now we come to the same for other part. T equal 1/4. T for sine square, right? Sine square x equal, can I write this sine square pi by 6? Sine 30 half, square root 1/4. Therefore, x equal n pi plus or minus pi by 6. Okay, now we come to the main question. Two parts. Find the least and highest value summation. The question says first part, find the sum of the smallest positive and the highest negative. Now I want to find a couple of solutions for this. What the small value, highest value. Second part, find how many solutions are there from minus pi to plus pi, that boundaries, right? Okay, now we'll see brief method of solving. See how I'm showing that way. First I show this one, x equal n pi plus or minus pi by 4, right? So see how I'm finding all the solution in this case. I explain briefly for the n value and take the plus symbol one value, minus symbol other. Okay, we'll check. Now see my method, n is 0. What is n is 0? Positive pi by 4. Here negative pi by 4, right? Put n for 0 plus pi by 4 minus pi by 4. What if n is comes 1 here? X equal 1 pi plus pi by 4. That is 5 pi by 4, right? To take the n4 minus, put the minus and 1 here. N is 1, take the negative symbol. What is that? X equal pi minus pi by 4. Otherwise 4 pi minus the 3 pi by 4, is it? Okay. Let's see another one. Try if n is 2, right? Put x for n for 2. What is the answer? 2 pi plus pi by 4, that is 8 9 pi by 4, and so on. Similar here, find when x is negative, 2 pi minus pi by 4, that is 8 7 pi by 4, right? And so on. Okay, now come to the other solution, n pi plus or minus pi by 6. X equal n pi plus or minus pi by 6. I'm giving long work. You can take the idea of this concept and you can minimize your steps in future paper out exam series questions. I target all this problem, your provincial papers, zonal, especially for the final exams. So next one, x equal n pi plus or minus pi by 6. You see the similar pattern, all the proper solution, then almost finished problem. Here n value, take the plus sign, take the minus sign. If n is 0 here, so pi by 6, okay. If n is minus symbol here, minus pi by 6, right? Put n for 1 here. What is 1? X is 1 pi plus pi by 6, that is 7 pi by 6, right? Put n for 2 1 here, negative symbol, that is pi minus pi by 6, that is 6 pi, 5 pi by 6. You can show you one another one. Put n for 2 here. So what is that? N for 2 or 2 pi plus symbol, pi by 6, that is 13 pi by 6. Or this, put n for 2 pi minus pi by 6. Okay, therefore 11 pi by 6, and so on. We can find so many values. Okay, come back to the problem. There are two parts. The first question, find the smallest positive, highest negative summation. There are so many values I have shown here. Smallest positive number value and highest negative value summation. You can see the values are here. What are the values? Here pi by 4, minus pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, and here so pi by 6, minus pi by 6, 7 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, and so on. So what the smallest positive answer? Pi by 4, pi by 45 degrees, 30 degrees. They have a smallest possible answer, pi by 6, 30 degrees, plus what the highest negative value here, highest negative value, minus pi by 4, right? Minus pi by 4, pi by 4. Simplify that, you know, the LCM is 12. Then 2 pi minus here 3 pi, is it? Therefore answer minus pi by 12, is it? Answer minus pi by 12, the smallest positive answer, plus highest negative answer. Okay, come back to next problem. Between pi, not between, into, from minus pi to plus pi, all the values, actually minus pi to plus pi, you know, minus a circle here called positive side, here come negative side, here negative, that side positive, or minus pi to plus pi, all the, how many values are available, right? If you go in order, so this minus pi by 4, minus pi by 6, minus pi by 6, right? This is minus 30, here minus 45. Okay, next one, minus pi by 4, one number, here another number, and you can say here plus pi by 4, right? Plus pi by 4 and pi by 6. All these value available from minus pi to plus pi, from minus pi to plus pi. Other one 5 pi by 4, right? 45 5 times is more than pi, you can't take it. This can be 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, right? 3 pi by 4, and here 5 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. Okay, that's all. I think 1 2 3 4, yes, 6 numbers, 6 digits, so the 6 solutions available. The required range of this minus pi to plus pi. That's the question. A super problem, highly appreciate for the future exams this kind of trigonometry solving equation and find the total values between the given boundaries, and some sort of problem, small addition, sum of the roots or product of the roots, like that. Okay, we'll see you next time with an attractive problem series, paper out, combined maths question series. Bye.